don't mean why they call them ends. And I practice how she was acting then. Now it's on your mind. What you roaming with? Why you go a lot? What you holding on to? Words that you say you don't mean. It's the pen in my chest. Yeah, I know it's true that I've been a little distant, I guess. Words that you say you don't mean. It's the pen in my chest. You know you're still mine. Yeah, I know it's true that I've been a little distant, I guess. You know you're still mine. Ends don't mean why they call them ends. And I practice how she was acting then.
Welcome to a week in my life as an entrepreneur based in Barcelona. In this vlog, you'll see real life of how I run my business here in Barcelona. You'll see product launch. You'll see also the strategy for Q4, our life in Barcelona, but also how I try to balance it with life here. Workouts, trying to eat healthy, but also having fun, because this is why we all started this first. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're thinking to become so, I think this vlog and I think my channel will be your safe place. So don't hesitate to subscribe and let's go. Barcelona is an amazing place to live and do business, of course. So if you never had your feet here in Barcelona, I would really advise you to, because you can connect with lots of people. I finished the 75 hard challenge not so long ago, and so every day now I try to do the 10,000 steps minimum, plus I try to do some gym sometimes. So this is a perfect spot because you do have lots of working and business, but you do also have like lots of people working out, especially at the beach.
Look, this how the realists get made. Gunshots and casket drops and hood spots.
So if you're an entrepreneur or you're thinking becoming so, these videos and this YouTube channel is made for you. I'll try to share my journey, but also help you for yours. So let's go.
Grew up in urban ghettos, that's the reason why we pull up. Take this liquor to the liver and post up with your...
First tasks this week, prepping for the Q4 and then for TikTok shop, because we are launching on TikTok shop. We've been testing for like 4 or 5 live shopping and it was just insane. So we are now planning to do it so, and to be more focused on it also, and to do more lives. It's time consuming, but it's also crazy, and this allows us also to connect, to bond, and to do more personal branding as well. This is part of our strategy growth for the Q4, so let's see how it goes. I'm just going to turn the camera and show you how to create product page and how the dashboard of TikTok shop works. So the dashboard looks like this, and you have like all the products that are here. You can be live and every country in Europe, depending on where you are. I'm in Europe, but if you're based in the US, I probably guess you can. You can also edit a product page. Let's create a new product page because I have lots to do. And I just wanted to mention that TikTok Shop is not just a social media, it's also now a marketplace, a very good tool to sell. So if you're not yet, I will really advise you to go for. Here you can upload like basic information as image, product name, category. If you're planning to sell pre-owned luxury, you should go through verification. Very complicated. You need to contact that shop. If not, you can't. Anyway, you have all of the information here below to enter, so let's go through this first.
Short taps mean stay, long strokes mean go. Hands talking fluid when I touch you real slow. Body sending signals like a real churro. I'm locked in, baby, tapped in like Morse code. Dot, dot, dash, got you moving all in sync. Why you yelling at me when you ride it on the sink? Ain't no capping, baby girl, you already know. I'm tapped in like Morse code. Got me tapped in, cash out investments right on your back end. Fact is, I crack your code, unlike your last man. Past tense, want you forever, let's make it last in. Trying to side your waters and your wave just keep on crashing. Who I ought to be so lucky? Pay attention to the rollback of your eyes, I know you love me. And when I call your phone, you come in to rush of me. I'ma hit it after dark and I'ma hit it when it's sunny. Tell me slow it down, but your body...
Q4 is around the corner, so now I'm definitely planning for December, November, and etc. It's a little bit late, but I was on a hurry on some few urgent matters. So this week I'm setting up a new tool that is called Klaviyo, and this is something for email flow, email marketing, SMS also marketing, WhatsApp, and etc. And it's been like month and month that I've been recommended this tool for my business. Also, it allows us to grow. It also allows you to make more sales, and I think it's definitely something you should implement, and it was something we need to do. So this is my it's on my to-do and I really, really need to do it. It's also one of the most reliable ROI for new e-commerce. So I really believe that you should implement also. If you have Klaviyo, let me know in the comment. What do you think about it? What we should put as email flow? Really taking your advice on this one. I think it will take me a few days to implement the new tool, but let me show you my screen. If you're running a business, don't wait for the big season to start planning. You'll already be too late. It's so important. So here you have the campaigns where you can create. Flows is where you can do automation, and it's very useful here. I need to implement everything. So if you have things that you recommend, don't hesitate. You have the welcome series, abandoned cart, rose abandonment, customer thank you. You have so many good things here. Review, sign up forms. Black Friday is already here, as you can see, and they have like a bootcamp that explain how to do it. So you have analytics, conversion. You can also send automation SMS, so which is great actually. What do you think about Klaviyo? Let me know in the comment. This is definitely not a publicity, but I really like the tool and I need to implement.